My meal is all done. As you can see, the menu is on fleek, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, so. That's a baby. All right, y'all. So I look a little bit tired, and I am for sure. However, I wanted to show you guys that I'm all done. That's my husband. That's my daughter right here. That's my other daughter right here. That's Tashik. Say hi, Tash. That's Nevadia over there. Yeah, so we are all done with the meal. And oh, where's Future? Oh, that's Future right there. Okay. So Future had a little situationship where he was so excited with the turkey taste. So I never cooked turkey, the chicken. I did a massive roaster. So he was all excited, you guys, and so he swallowed out chewing. And so he almost choked to death. And I like the ear end. Anyway, my daughter bought me this here. She put grease on it and flatten the ear, so I'm have to wash it. You have to get that out of the way. So don't come for me, guys. Don't come. I seen the wig too. I was like, it's looking a little crazy right now. You know, I'm have to go wash out the grease out of the way. But yeah, I never have no time for that because you know I'm cooking them something there. But y'all, I look a little tired, and I know that I am. I'm definitely a little bit tired. For sure, and it's kind of showing that I'm tired. Anyhow, I wanted to show you guys what I did in the kitchen, right? So let's walk in the kitchen. Right here we have, oh, what's this again? Oh, this is jerk chicken, you guys. That was done on the grill. My husband put this on the grill, but I did put some gravy on it. Homemade gravy, of course. And then this is oxtails. Here, oxtail and butter beans on flake. And then over here, I made some macaroni salad. This is all vegetarian. Some cranberries and all that in there. Daughter's getting her some plantains. We have potato salad. This is my famous mac and cheese, okay, but I didn't do this from the pineapple, you guys. All right, that's just plain old mac and cheese. This is curry goat right here. It's bubbling, of course. Have that little thing going on under there. So nobody not touch the curry goat taste, obviously. I took some. Oh, you did? Okay, good. And so I did make some candied yam. I offer the candied yam every time because my daughter loves candy yam. Curry goat. Oh no, I didn't touch it. You never the curry goat not touch. Chicken. You did the chicken. That's how the curry goat, right? So, okay, so that's the curry goat, y'all. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Look. Look at. Yeah. That is amazing. All right. So yes, so that's our curry, and then Devadia loves to have candy yam every single year, so I have to have that on the menu every time. Okay. And then over here I did some curry chicken. I already told you guys I was going to do curry chicken, and then I have some brown stew over here. Okay. And then I have some rice and peas. Some rice, right? My rice. Red. Okay. So I have my rice and peas. Now, this rice and peas, I don't know if my daughters even know this, but this rice and peas is barefoot rice and peas. The reason why it's called barefoot, you guys, is because it has meat in it. Actually has meat in it. Okay. This is salt beef that I put in this one. And you can see the pepper, right, the salt. Nice. And then I did make some curry steamed cabbage. You know, some other bread over there for the jerk chicken people. And then this is my sticky ribs. Nice and sticky right there. Flawless. And then this is my famous what do you call this again? Cornbread recipe. My kids love when I make this cornbread here. It's nice and sweet, of course. It's like a dessert, the cornbread all in one. Yes, this is amazing. Beautiful, nice. And then I did make some escovitch fish, like I told you, right here. Okay, right here I have some fresh vegetables. So I'm gonna have steam, I'm gonna have uncooked. I didn't make the banana fritters like I said I was gonna make because honey, your girl is tired, okay? And over here we have the ham. This usually lasts for a long time, to be honest. A long time. The cheese that I put on there this time is a little bit spicy. A little slightly spicy. And the cherries and stuff. But this came out really, really nice, you guys. Really nice. And then this right here is the roaster. Because y'all, your girl was not trying to do a damn turkey. Okay? Hey, where's the baby?
It's a fire for the rice.
What a burn up. Okay, so
On the borderline.
it's on the borderline of burning. Alright, so I got to take out the heat from my rice and peas, you guys, because it is burning. So yeah, so that is my thing. Alright, I did make the sorrel. So that's the sorrel right there, so with the ginger and the lemon. There's no alcohol in it. And this right here is beetroot, ginger, and carrot and lemon. So I have that on deck here. Daughter did get some of these which I love so much. So we have some of that on board. And other little things in the refrigerator. For sure. Alright, so yeah. That is it, you guys. That is it as far as my meat is concerned. This is a whole lot of food and a whole lot of cooking.